What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Alive by Role Model. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll break my foot off in that ass. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. So the song's in standard tuning, and it's using 5 different chords, and they just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need is going to be this open B flat. You're going to put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A, your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D, and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G. And what you're doing is you're playing all the strings open. Then you're going to move your ring and your pinky finger down to the 4th fret on the A and the D, and then put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G. This is an F sharp minor. And again, you're playing all the strings open. You can either play it all the way open, you can grab the 2nd fret on the low E with your thumb if you're advanced enough in that level of your playing to be able to grab that there, but if not, you can just play those 3 strings. Play it all open, and then you're going to go to this version of a D. It's the same as your B flat, you're just playing it on A, on 5, 7, 7. Then you're going to go to this open A here. It's middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D and ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G. Again, playing all the strings open. And then an E major, which is middle finger 2nd fret A, ring finger 2nd fret D, index finger 1st fret G. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's very simple. It's just going to be down, 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 up throughout all the chords. Some of them it's played twice, some of them only one time, and I'll show you which ones they are. Starting with the B, it's twice. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. F sharp is twice. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. D is once. Down, 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 up. A is once. Down, 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 up. E is twice. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that just repeats. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.